Do you prefer to listen to your lessons? If so, then you can listen to documents by using ReadSpeaker Doc Reader. After opening the document in ReadSpeaker Doc Reader, select the page you wish to hear. You can listen to the complete page, or a portion of a page. To listen to a complete page, click Listen. To listen to a portion of a page, highlight the part you wish to have read, and click Listen. Let's listen to the first paragraph. Once you have successfully completed the implementation of ReadSpeaker within your learning management system, LMS, testing environment, you are ready to launch. Let's listen to this again, but we will pause the recording after the word completed by clicking on pause. Once you have successfully completed, now click on play to continue listening. We will stop the recording by clicking stop after the word ReadSpeaker. The implementation of ReadSpeaker. See how easy it is to use the Doc Reader? Now it is your turn to listen to your documents in your LMS.